Here's what you need to know about what is latency. This is an exam topic in Domain 3, Network Operations. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. Latency is the time it takes for data to travel from one point to another across a network. It is measured in milliseconds, ms, and directly affects how fast a network feels to users. High latency causes noticeable delays in applications like video calls, online gaming, and VoIP. Key concept, measured in milliseconds. Latency is the delay between sending a packet and receiving a response. A round-trip time, RTT, under 20 ms is excellent. Over 150 ms causes noticeable lag. Key concept, causes of latency. Distance, router hops, network congestion, and slow hardware all increase latency. Fiber links have lower latency than satellite links because light travels farther in space. Key concept, round-trip time RTT. RTT measures the time for a packet to reach its destination and return. The ping command measures RTT and is the simplest way to test latency. Key concept, impact on applications. Latency-sensitive applications include VoIP, video conferencing, and online gaming. These need latency below 150 ms to function without perceptible delays. Let's look at the full breakdown. Excellent, 20 ms. Use case, online gaming, VoIP. Feel, instant response. Typical link, local LAN or fiber. Good, 20 to 100 ms. Use case, web browsing, streaming. Feel, smooth with minor delay. Typical link, broadband ISP. Poor, 100 to 300 ms. Use case, basic email, file transfer. Feel, noticeable lag. Typical link, long-distance WAN, bad, 300 ms. Use case, not suitable for real time. Feel, severe delay. Typical link, satellite connection. Here's a real-world example. A gamer in New York connecting to a game server in London may see 80 to 100 ms latency. That extra delay means button presses arrive late, and gameplay feels sluggish. Switching to a server closer to New York drops latency below 20 ms, and the experience feels instant. Quick recap before you go. 1. Latency is the delay for data to travel from source to destination, measured in ms. 2. Round-trip time, RTT, is measured by the ping command. 3. Common causes, distance, router hops, congestion, and slow hardware. 4. Below 150 ms is required for real-time apps like VoIP and video calls. 5. Satellite links have very high latency, 500 ms plus, due to distance. That's what is latency covered. Exam tip. On the exam, latency is measured in milliseconds and tested with the ping command. RTT over 150 ms is considered unacceptable for VoIP. Remember this threshold. Next up, what is jitter? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.